Myself, Enrique Kino, Standard 9, studying in Vivekananda, Kendra VKV Seijosa. I am here to review a book which I found it very interesting, and it is The Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a renowned scientist who went up to become the 11th president of our country. He is well known across our country, as well as he is the recipient of 3 highest awards, which is the Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. The Wings of Fire is the autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which is jointly written by Arun Tiwari and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It consists of the story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam before he became the president and after that. It also consists of his work in the space research program as well as missile programs during his lifetime. I found the initial part very interesting because it gives a very beautiful picture of our country during 1930s and 1950s. Kalam was born in Rameswaram, a southern religious town in Tamil Nadu. This book also tells us about the religious harmony that existed before the participation of our country. Kalam in his young age wanted to become an officer in the Air Force, but he couldn't pass that interview. So he met Swami Shivananda when he failed that interview. I found his work inspiring. So here is what he said to Kalam: go ahead with your destiny and accept your destiny and go ahead with your life. What you destined to become is not yet discovered, but it is predetermined. Search instead the true existence, purpose of your existence. Go son and accept the God's will. This was what Swami Shivananda said to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The book also tells us about how APJ Abdul Kalam started his career in space and research development. Later he joined Indian Space Research, and in 1963 he went to NASA as a facility in training of sound rocket launching system. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was an important person of our country. His full name was Abul Bakir Zaidullah Abdul Kalam. The one thing that stand our thoughts about this book is that Abdul Kalam's positive mind. He held many high level programs as well as organization, but he rarely mentions about the corruptions of political as well as bureaucracy in his book. It seems that his path to success was the ability to ignore the negative things around him. APJ Abdul Kalam was a simple, secular and inspiring human nation. I would like to tell you that I would like to prepare